Hey, hey, it's Esther in the pot. Stir it up, baby, make
Today
it hot,
I'm
hot.
cooking okra soup, but not the heavy kind. No fufu, no garri. I'm keeping it light and fit because this is part of my weight loss journey. Let's start with the ingredients. We've got fresh okra, our star. Then comes cow skin, fresh fish, smoked fish we call kucha, and of course, palm oil. I'm adding Njansanga, that African spice that makes your ancestors smile, and wild bush pepper. Yes, not black pepper, country pepper. Then dry crayfish, pepper, salt, and Maggi for that kick. Now to the fun part, cooking. Pot goes on the gas. I heat up the palm oil, toss in onions and the meat, season it to my taste. While that simmers, I take my time to blend my pepper, jansanga, and crayfish. And then the okra. Oh Lord, slicing okra takes patience, but I do it because it's the heart of this soup. I even blend a bit for that stretchy texture we love. Now I start adding everything. Meat's ready, in goes the smoked fish, then the fresh fish, and finally the okra. Let it simmer gently, and just like that, we've got a rich, flavorful, healthy okra soup. I'm serving mine with Quaker oats, not fufu, because we're eating clean but staying rooted. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more healthy twists on African meals, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. More delicious stories are coming your way.
Cooking with Esther. Come for the food, stay for the vibe and the happy mood.